Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel, your one-stop shop for in-depth looks at the gear you care about. Today, we're diving into the world of motorcycle helmets, and not just any helmets. We're talking about the smart ones. We've got 5 fantastic products lined up, each bringing something unique to the table. From integrated communication to advanced safety features, these helmets are pushing the boundaries of what's possible on 2 wheels. So, let's not waste any more time and get straight into it. Number 5. ZYON Helmet. This helmet is designed with the everyday rider in mind, offering a blend of comfort and connectivity without breaking the bank. It features integrated Bluetooth, allowing for seamless pairing with your smartphone for calls, music, and GPS navigation. The ZYON helmet prioritizes ease of use, with intuitively placed controls that are simple to operate even with gloves on. It's a great option for riders looking to upgrade their basic helmet to something with a bit more tech, ensuring you stay connected and entertained on your journeys, whether you're commuting through the city or enjoying a scenic route. Number 4. Sena Stryker. Sena is a name synonymous with motorcycle communication, and the Stryker is a testament to their expertise. This helmet takes their renowned mesh intercom technology and integrates it directly, offering a truly streamlined experience. Imagine crystal-clear communication with up to 24 other riders within a 5-mile range. The Stryker also boasts a premium Harman Kardon sound system, delivering an unparalleled audio experience for your music and calls. With its advanced noise cancellation, you can enjoy conversations and tunes without the distraction of wind noise. It's built for group rides and long-distance touring, making every journey more social and enjoyable. Number 3. LIVALL MC1 Pro. This helmet isn't just about communication, it's about intelligent safety. The MC1 Pro is packed with features designed to keep you safe on the road. It includes an integrated emergency SOS alert system that can automatically notify your emergency contacts in the event of an accident. The helmet also has a built-in brake warning light and turn signals, increasing your visibility to other road users, especially in low-light conditions. Furthermore, it offers anti-loss alarm functionality and a walkie-talkie feature for short-range communication. The LIVALL MC1 Pro is truly a smart helmet that looks out for you, providing peace of mind with its comprehensive safety suite. Number 2. Forcite MK1S. This helmet is a technological marvel, designed for the performance-oriented rider who demands the very best. The standout feature is its integrated display, which provides crucial information directly within your line of sight. This includes turn-by-turn navigation, speed limits, and even live traffic updates, all without having to take your eyes off the road. The MK1S also boasts a high-definition camera, allowing you to record your rides in stunning detail, perfect for capturing those epic moments or for insurance purposes. With its premium construction and advanced electronics, the Forcite MK1S offers an unparalleled riding experience, blending cutting-edge technology with ultimate safety. Number 1. Shark Skwal 3. This helmet is a game-changer, pushing the boundaries of what an intelligent helmet can be. What truly sets the Skwal 3 apart is its integrated LED lighting system, designed to significantly enhance rider visibility. These bright, strategically placed LEDs can be activated with a simple switch, making you stand out in traffic, especially during nighttime rides or in adverse weather conditions. But it's not just about visibility. The Skwal 3 also incorporates advanced safety features like an integrated brake light that illuminates automatically when you decelerate. Combined with its comfortable fit and sleek design, the Shark Skwal 3 offers a revolutionary approach to rider safety and style. It truly earns its place as our number 1 pick for its innovative features and commitment to making riders more visible and safer on the road. And there you have it. 5 of the best smart motorcycle helmets on the market today. Each of these helmets offers a unique set of features, catering to different rider needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for advanced communication, enhanced safety, or integrated navigation, there's a smart helmet out there for you. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Best Reviews channel for more awesome content, and let us know in the comments which helmet you think is the best. Until next time, ride safe.